Good evening to all. Good evening. Arum nan dan nan 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 dan da da dan dan dan. Good evening sa lahat. Hi. Wait lang. Hi, me. Good day. Good evening, everyone. Hi, Dolshad. Good evening. Okay. Good evening. Thank you for the 10 people. Thank you so much. Good night, my dear. Dance with me. Hi, Rodrigo. Thank you for coming back here in my life. Hi, team. Good evening from me. Ay, grabe, guapa. Thank you, Delsha. Thank you for the thumbs up. Tip like okay, AC. Thank you. Hi, me. How are you there? I'm good. I'm fine. And you? How are you? Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you, Delshad, for the 2 sock. Harry, good morning to you. Thank you for the 18 people here in my live. Hi, Fabrice. Hi, Fabrice. Thank you for the 2 sock. For the 18 people, salamat. Salamat po. Jubil Camacho. Ati, taga-saan ka? Taga Bicol po. Taga Bicol po ako. Cheryl, my friend, Filipina. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. You are from Brazil, right, Rodrigo? From Brazil. Hello, May, hello. Good to see you. Yes. Good to see you again. So much to love me. I'm from Brazil, yes. We're from Brazil. Nana, bakalon mo. Good to see you too, Rodrigo. Sign po sa Bicol, sa Sorsogon po.
Ilang ko?
10. Ikaw, or 20, like that.
20.
Ikaw,
30.
ano mo man yun?
Bakal food.
Oh, magkaon ka niluto. Sign po sa Bicol, sa Sorsogon po. Nobel English, please. Ano, Tim, he's from Philippines. I know what he said, and it's okay. Sign means Bicol language. Where? He said, where are you from? Where are you here in the Philippines like that? Tip tip like. Okay, easy. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Jubel. Thank you, Jubel. Ikaw, saan ka dito sa, taga saan ka dito sa Pilipinas? I am work. Okay, see you. Bye-bye, my friend. I will be back. Okay. Bye, Rodrigo. Take care. God bless you. Great night for you. Thank you. Take care of your work. Thank you for joining my live again. May until later. Sana all until later. Okay, all right. At sa bawat minuto. GM. Hi, Ray Miller. GMB. What GMB? Denby Elation. Hi, Denby Elation. Hi, hello, Denby. Your smile, beautiful friend. Thank you, Rodrigo. Ray Miller, you know the Trump is here. Thank you, the Trump. CNBB, bye bye baby. Con. What do you mean? Thank you for the thumbs up, the thumbs up. You see how your internal works great for your life, but now not in the day. Yes, it's weird. Are you ready? Ready for what? Ready for? Okay po. Taga Naga po kami, pero dito kami Manila. Okay. Sa Manila kayo ngayon. Pero, Bicol din. Okay, Rodrigo. Good deal. Happy Mother's Day para bukas. Salamat din, Vilation. Salamat. Happy Mother's Day din sa mga kapatid mong babae. May asawa na. May anak na. Sa mama mo. Sa mga kapitbahay. Happy Mother's Day in advance para bukas. From Ray Miller. Team, hi bro. Are we gonna play nice today? What? What means play? Play. What? As long as people are respectful. Yeah. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you guys. Thumbs up guys. Thank you. Sir. 100%. Thank you po. Ate, kamukha mo yung kapatid ko. Talaga? Nako, mas maganda yun sa akin. Hindi naman ako kagandahan sa personal. Camera lang yan. Sa camera lang yan. Maganda lang ako sa camera, sa personal hindi. Salamat sa 9 people sa nag-thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you, Ray. Some people just don't get it. I don't like people. I just put them out. Time out. And I thought I would be right for you. Lol, I hear you too. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all to be with forevermore. I just can't believe that you're mine now. You were just a dream that I was never. Ah, didi kami sa solo. And I thought I would be right there. I just can't compare you. Charles been hiding people to see then they can never come back.
Lala.
I just can't compare.
Wala ko din. Ano na lang.
Taga Masbate siya, nakatira baka kapatid kita. Nawawalang kapatid do. Pakampun lang ako dito, charad. Charad. Para pa 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 pan ding dang ding dang ding bang bang dang ding dang. Thank you for the 7 people.
Lalabas kita, maluwag.
Bakit mo unang ninigil?
Charles Fawcett and he can speak English. He said maybe her sister is look like I look like her sister. Maybe I'm her sister. He
Ay,
said.
nabuklad mo na. Sapin mo, di mamay.
From his sister live in Masbate.
Bali mo kurog sa lawas mo.
Kakaanak ka ni Papa sa loob. Kunulob. At kinulob.
Sige na, tanaan na yun. Boys, ano ba ako? Kung natulog ng dalion. Doon sa pagpagpunta na ako. Makapiyong lang ako niyo.
It's ice already battery. Not yet. Yan ang binakal mo. Nagkaka ka na luto? Magkaroon ka na kuya gabluto. Pwede di kita ho. Hindi ka nang. Ay, doon ka ano doon. Makutitubon doon.
Paglagay mo sa daan. Matulog mo ako kahit.
Mag-ihi ka na ha. Umihi ka, bago ka mag-ano doon. Good evening, Cheryl. How are you doing? Hi, Sir Gas Sanders. Thank you for joining. I'm good. Good morning to you, Sir Gas Sanders. Thank you for joining. Salamat. The Carmona Crew. Tamsak dan po. Patamsak and support up po. Bagong vlog. Salamat po. Sige po. Mag-iwan ka po sa akin ng bakas sa ano ko para mabalikan po kita. Salamat po. Kahit sa shorts video ko lang para madikitan kita. Mabalikan ko yung ano mo sa akin. Bagong dikit po. Pasukli po. Sige po. Para masuklian po kita. Mag-iwan ka po ng bakas sa kahit sa short videos ko. Para maano po, mabalikan kita. Salamat po, the Carmona Crew. English car. He said, he subscribed my channel and I need to be friend of him for support. Support. They support me and I will support them. Just like give and take. It's for the vlogger. Then, nanungin mo yung papa mo, baka may iba siyang minamahal. Hindi ko, ay nako. Wala, hindi man siya, hindi ko alam. Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat sa thumbs up. Relo yung bagan maruba na yan, no?
Magdaan na lang ako. Doctor,
Ang ganda mo, ate. Maple. Revoca. Salamat, Maple. Thank you. Ano ginagawa? Nagla-live. Nakaupo. Nag-aantay ng ano. Nag-aantay na baka may pumunta. May dalang sobre. Charot! Sobre na makapal. Mabuti naman. Thank you, designer. Taga saan po sila? Thank you for the thumbs up. Salamat. Thank you so much. At sa bawat minuto. English design ako. It's okay. Their comment is okay. It's good. It's friendly comments. No worries. They said, Maple Revoca said, she said, I'm beautiful. Ganda means beautiful. What a bit. And the designer, he said, what are you doing? Like that. Wag ako, ate. Para saan yung sobre? Para sa ayuda. Para sa ayuda. We make all English. It's okay if it's not make all, because we are in different countries and not all can speak English. It's okay as long as they nice and respectful. It's okay. Nothing needs to be enough. As long as they understand the language, and it's good. It's fine. They speak English. It's okay if they cannot speak English, because not all can speak English. Hi, Tita Sheila. How was your day? Good day. I'm good day. Good. Paluway, magana ka lang man ako ba? Hi, Tita. Thank you for again. Welcome back, Tita. I'm from Puerto Rico. Jan Figueroa Hernandez. Paluway, Gab. Kinakalag ako, Gab. Sayo. Okay, your choice, your channel. Hi, hello everyone. Hi, Tita. Kumusta po, Tita? Morning. Kumusta po? Tata, papa, Tita. Beautiful. Thank you. I'm good. Happy weekend, dolls. Thank you, tita. Te, butuhan na igwa na yung salapi. Basta makatulong, makakabuti sa bayan, butuhan natin yan. Kahit walang salapi. Go to bed. Yeah. Need to sleep na, no? Where are you from? Puerto Rico. You're from Puerto Rico, Sir John. From Puerto Rico. Eating breakfast, hubby made me cheese bagel, yogurt, sliced mango, apple, and coffee. Aw, sweet. You're a sweet husband. Sana all having a sweet husband preparing food for you. You want? No? I don't need. No need, Sir John. Thank you, Sir John. No need. No, John. Thank you, John. Let's song that to dan wait lang.
Leila. Leila.
No, John. To help send money from me. Send money from me. Hi, team. He's tired from all the house work he did today. Yes. Tired. I'm tired. Tito, hi from John. Arlen Vlog. Hi, Arlen Vlog. John, she's taken to stop off. I'll stop you. Okay, sorry. Okay lang, team. Magandang gabi. Sige, magandang gabi din. Thank you. Hello, Miss Beautiful. Hi, Alan Aliasos. Hi, Alan. Alan Aliasos, hello. Hi, Jan. You send her a super chat once she's monetized. Thank you for your kindness. Thank you, Tita. Salamat, Tita. God bless you. Thank you, John. Thank you, John. Thank you, Tita Marie. Salamat. I hope someday my channel monetized. Thank you, guys. Thank you so for supporting me. Thank you so much. How old are you, sweetie? Sir, I'm 40 years old. 40. 40 years old. Robert Wingate. Where are you from, Sir Robert Wingate? Wingate. The gate is Wayne. Wingate. Thank you for the 9 people. How many watch hours do you have, Cheryl? I need GK. It's just 900 watch hours. 900, yes. Too much. Too much. I need to work a lot. Need to work hard. Sydney, Australia. Thank you, sir, from Sydney, Australia. Thank you so much for joining my live. Thank you so much. Okay, Tim and Tita, love you. Thank you, John. Thank you so much.
Tita, mommy.
Sir Robert, how old you how old are you? I mean, BC Momsy TV. Hi, BC Momsy TV. Hello. Okay, Jan, have a good day. Tita Yulatim. Ate yung dumaan na nakaputi. Kamukha pa rin kapatid ko. Oh, talaga? Baka kamag-anak ka namin. You're married. Not yet married. But I will marry soon. Charot. Thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up. BC Momsy TV. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you so much. Okay, I will watch your LS replace videos. I have many devices to run your videos. Thank you so much, Tita. Oh my God, Tita. Salamat, Tita. It helps me a lot. I am 64. Nice to meet you, Sir Robert Wingate. Kumain ka na ba, mahal? Na, mahal. Taga saan si Alan? Are you married, Sir Robert, or single? 64. I am 52 years old. Are you married, Sir John? Thipan, 1989. Hi, hello. John, I'm Filipina Canadian. Yes. Wow, Sir Tita, thank you, Tita. Thank you so much, Tita. My goal, I need to buy, you know what, the camera. This need to photograph beautiful place, need to photograph. I need it. I was 22 years old in U.S. Army.
Mama.
Oh, that's good. That's good, surgeon. Yes, come here. Come. That's good, John. Nice to meet you, John. You're welcome. I see you work hard. You deserve to be helped. Thank you so much, Tita. Salamat, Tita. Wish we met someday when you learn this. I wish. Take me back. Thank you so much. God bless you more, Tita.
Mama.
May kanin pa kayo at ulam. May kanin pa kami at ulam. Punta ka na dito, bigyan kita. Robert, when get two? I will be there for 6 months. We will meet. Thank you, Tita. Nice to meet you, Tita. See you soon. Yes! Thank you. See you soon.
Alam mo na.
Mami. Hi. On the pig. Where's the pig? Hi, na. Hi. Nami? Wala na. Where is na? Naming. Oh, yeah, Naming. Wait, Naming. Hey, Naming. Come here. Miming. You want to say? Ming, kanta ka. Hanap pa si Miming. Ming, hanap pa. Sika. Hala, wala na. Yung sika mo pa, no? Ay, man. Hi. I subscribe. Thank you so much, Jam. Hello, bonjour. Wala na. Hi na, wala na. Hi, Michelle. Tian. Jan, Robert, Ayoso. Hi, madam. Thank you so much for it. Do you drink 3-in-1? Yes. Hi, Steve. I drink 3-in-1 coffee. 50 yan. I like this channel. Thank you, Sir John. Are you married? Not yet married for now. Where in the Philippines do you live? from Luzon, Bicol Province. Tita, when you gonna be there?
Magtutulog pa lang.
Where's sa
Facebook
pido?
pa.
Where's sa do you love? What? I will be there in December to May. Yes! Thanks, Tita. See you soon, Tita. Wala na.
Mama. Si Mama dito?
Come here na. Don't ano dyan. Baka mahusdog. Lot of nice people here. Thank you. Thank you, John. I'm looking for a wife from your country. Okay. To Abel. Thank you to Abel. Thank you. Khalidod. I'm looking for a Khalidod. Oh wow. Where are you from? And how old are you? Khalidod. Lot of nice. Yes. Thank you, John. Okay, Cheryl. Maybe we can invite Tita here. She will be there in December. Yes. We will meet soon in December, Tita. Idol, Giovanni Padilla Naqua. Hi, Idol. Salamat, Idol, sa pagpunta. Tita, not Rita. Yes, I understand. That's why you type. I like you. You're very attractive. Why me? I thought you want finding someone, but not not me. 52 years old. Je suis francaise. Je suis from. You are from France. You're from France. Theme, she said, I am French. She's French. Hi, I'm from USA and I'm 48. Oh, okay. What is your work, Khalidud? Where's Luzon? Bicol. Bicol. Sorsogon. Bicol Province. Wait, I'm talking about. What are you talking about? Steve, what do you think about the new pop? She's good. The new pop is good. Why? Tita +1. Michelle, kumisaba. Kumisaba. Saba. Michelle, saba. Bonjour to Baben. Wow, sana all. Lami ah. I have a very professional job. Yes, I know. But what is your job? Hi, Khalidud. What is your job, Khalidud? Bye, see you later. I love you. Bye, Sir John. Thank you so much for joining. See you later. Thank you, Sir John. Take care. Wissam Ahmad. Wissam. Hello, May. From Cali. Nice to meet you, everyone. Where in the zone do you live? Bicol, Sorsogon. Sorsogon, Bicol Province. Where are you from, Cali? Oh my God, what is happening in the December for you? Exciting this December. Mercy to Charman. Merci beaucoup, Michelle. Merci beaucoup. Me, I'm from USA. BC Mom CTV. Nice to meet you, Kali. I'm from Philippines. Do you have a channel, May? Yes. Do you have a channel? I think she have a channel. GT Bo. GT Bo. Did I see Bicol? Yes, Bicol. No. Not yet, maybe, not yet create channel, but it needs to be. Michelle to parler anglais. To parler anglais. You need to, parler anglais. Michelle, do you have WhatsApp, May? Dude said, no, I don't have, but I have Messenger. May. At ang hirap magpapagpabago. How old are you, May? She's 40 years old. Me is 40 years old, I think. No Jipali Frankie. Why? You need to learn. No Jipali Frankie. Francais. You need to You need to parley. You need to speak English. Michelle Tian. Speak English. Memeng! Miming! Miming!
Kabaong ka.
Di ba yun hayo? Sika! 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 Siya! Sika! 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 Siya! No.
Magasiya na yun. Mga kuluhin kami ka.
Wala na. Yada pa sika ho. Ha? 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 Go?
Ano yung dog cat?
Dog? Wala na. Wala na ang dog? Wala na ang dog. Kay. Nanggagap siya na. Hi, ng dog. Hi na. Hi, ng dog. Hi, ng dog. Okay. Go. Wala na. Wala na ang dog. Okay, hi, ng dog. Where's the dog? Hi. Where's the dog? Kinyo, wala na. Go yan, dog. Call the dog. Call. Dog. Go, yeah. Gaya si dog. Alabama, USA. Thank you, sir. New subscriber. Thank you so much. Hello from Alabama. Thank you so much, sir, for joining my live. Thank you for the subscribe. Me, welcome to talk to you. Thank you, Tim. How about you, Callie? How old are you? 48, maybe.
Yan
Tim,
makasasama.
you're gonna be in the Philippines in December. Are you looking for a husband, Tim? Jimmy and Bhutan. You're from where? You're living in Bhutan. You're from Britain. Nice. Welcome, Alabama. May, how can I think it's him? I'm messenger calling. I mean, in messenger calling. Kali, dude. May said you can talk to her and messenger. I mean, in Facebook, yeah, her Facebook.
Wala na yan yung bibi.
Oh, Jayla, mahulog ka dyan.
Mahulog ka. Ay na. Siguli na.
Come here na. Go yan, dog didi ho. Come here na, didi. Hain na. Hain na daw. Nagparalayas na.
Sino naguli na?
Naglayas na ang dog. Nabibi ang dog. Wala na. Naglayas na. Magkaroon na. Gaya na. Dito ba rin hanap si mama niya. Kaya dili may ito din naka-star. The Hook Up Channel.
Wala na. Wala na. Nasaan na? Hindi ako nakaintindi.
Kain na daw.
Para bata mo yung inuulam mo.
Si Kuya Gabo natulog na. Bibi, anong bibi? Dako-dako, saan bibi yun, ma?
Sleep na si baby.
Turog na, sleep na si Kuya, Bibi. Bibi? Bibi, sleep na si Bibi. Opo. Dito ka lagi sa sulod ko. Oy. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Be careful what you give out on her. So many may try to contact you via messenger. Have him give his Facebook Messenger info day. Oh, shit.
Dito ka daan sa kabila.
Not
Na
host.
dyan.
Not host. Oh. Stricto si Kuan. Stricto yung natin moderator. So, pasensyahan natin. Typo. Ayan na nagbibigay naman ng personal information. Paano naman kasi ba tayo magkontak-kontak kung walang Mama? Bibi? Be? Yes?
Lagi.
Oh, pag una ko, turog ka na, Gap.
Bibi! Bibi! Dadan!
Thank you for the 16 tons sack and the 9 people in the house. Salamat. Come here na, come here. Nangangarad. Nangaratunan ako. Oh, sinigaw. Makangangarad. Happy, sha-na-na-na. It's so nice to be happy. Cha-da-da-da. It's common sense. Don't give personal info online to strangers. People are lazy and don't read the YT community guidelines. Ayan. Community. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, team. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Sika. 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 Hi.
Hello.
Sika. Lamiyak ka unon. Yes, I know, but people...
Kayo, Gab?
Maramat yun. Kana na, dito na ako masama. Makasama ako sa sulod. Kana. I'm here now. Thank you for the...
Dayan. Dayan.
Kuhaan sa dayan mo.
Yay!
Ah. Aray ko. I so many people, so many billion people running around the planet. I'm by the big and follow rules. Commerce are everywhere. Aray ko.
Berman lang niya.
Mapiniton. Thank you po. Mapiniton. Tagi man ako kuya.
Saan?
Sa daw.
Eh.
Share kita. Thank you tita. Thank you guys. Malamig.
Thank you, Brian.
Aray
Sino
ko.
thumbs up sa'yo?
Thank you for the thumbs, Zach. Angel Remix. Hi, Angel Remix. Thank you, Angel Remix. Someday I find someone who... Thank you, Angel Remix. Hello. Yes, for us. December. God. I will meet Tita and team. See you soon. Tok lang bang? Buksan ni Gabi. Gabs, buksi. Dili ka. Why you meeting me and... Clap your hand dito. Come here na, baby. Why you meeting me in December? Okay, don't meet. Bleh. Wala, baby. Magano ka kami kuryente, oh. Hampa. Maglakad. Come here na, come here. Huh?
Brother.
I don't know. Well, why? Sad. It's okay, don't meet me. Why said why? Seven. Hello. Oh, I wanna be his, wanna be crying. If ever you're, just answer the question. Answer the questions. You know it. Why are you asking me? If you don't want to meet me, it's fine. See why we are meeting. We're getting married. Marry me, marry you. Baba, Bibi. Good evening, my love friend. Hi, Ramesh. Da. Hi, Izuko is nice. Hi, Izuko. Izuko, maybe you are from Japan. Yes, of course. Of course. Thank you for the 17 helps up, guys. Thank you so much. Good evening, my dear love friend. Good evening. Good evening, Ramesh. Oh my god, my eyes. Thank you for the 18 people. Thumbs up. Give thumbs up. Thank you so much. Steven Martin. Hi, Cheryl. Nice seeing you here today. Thank you, Sir Steven Martin. Hi. Baha sa Panabo City. Ah, baha po ba? Maulan? How are you, my love friend? I'm good. I'm fine. How about you? How are you, Ramesh? Like done. Thank you, Ramesh. Thank you for the likes. So sweet. Sir Stephen Martin. Where are you from? Yes, Babang. Come here na, Babang. Teen the shall know how you look like. It's like dating a ghost. Dating a ghost? Ouch. Ouch, of course, every day. Bye-bye. I subscribe, by the way. Thank you, Zoko. But she knows a ghost. Supper. Thank you. What supper? I subscribe, by the way. Thank you, Nizoko. Is nice. Thank you so much. Do you live in the city or in the province in the Philippines? Sir Steven Martin, I live in the province in the Philippines. Here in the Philippines. I live in the province. Pwede palili, madam. What palili? What palili? Happy Mother's Day to you, Cheryl. Thank you so much, Sir Steven Martin. Happy Mother's Day to your wife too. Also, or the girlfriend, partners, your mothers. Pakasalan mo siya. Pakakasalan. Tita, we know each other very well. Thank you, Sir Steven Martin. Tita, happy Mother's Day, Tita Marie. Para buka. Not married. I'm single, no children. Why? Why not married? You're young? How old are you, Steven Martin? You're young. Wow, now Tita is speak her language. She knows. I don't know it. She said, you're going to marry you? Marry you? How old are you, Steven Martin, and where are you from? It's Damn. 6 years old, too old for you, sure. Why is this single at 60? No, not married, stay single, no children. Why? What happened, Sir Stephen? May 11, Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, Leo Repoledo. Happy Mother's Day din sa inyo dyan, mga mommies, sa mga asawa nyo, sa sa mga mama nyo, mga kapatid, I am divorced. Ah, okay. Why, but why no children? And then you answer her back in your language. Yes. I said yes. Why happened? What's happened? What is your job, Sir Steven? Steven Martin. Sige, nagdadrive ako. Exit muna. Ingat ka lagi. Thank you, sir. Thank you po, tita. Salamat, tita. Ingat ka po, tita. Have a nice day, tita. God bless you po, tita. Thank you, tita. Ingat lagi. God bless. Gigawin. Hi, Gigawin. My ex-wife couldn't have children. She has 2 miscarriages during our marriage. So sad. Sorry. That's why maybe the reason why the divorce. Gigawing, hi, sir. Thank you for coming back from my life. Ate, ikaw na naman. Love you, Tebot Casalones. Love you. Puboto Salones. Silaya akong hanto. May naman. I just retired and searching for a Philippines wife. You retired? What is retired? Retired? Retired. Tallboy. Hi, sir, Tallboy. We'll come back again. You want some Filipino? Finding Filipina. This time will never end. Sun never end. Puro na maghanap, asawahon, mao nga ni. Ano may dinig ka mga may edad na. Si Steven Martin naghanap. Steven finding someone. 1:30 a.m. here. Have a good night po. Maybe catch her stream earlier, hopefully. Thank you so much, Gigawing. Where are you from, sir, Gigawing? Where are you from? 1:30 a.m. 1:30 a.m. Yes, searching. Sir Stefan. New York City. You're from New York City, Sir Stefan. I have a friend searching for someone who's 40 years old. Single mother, but she can find, she's not finding someone good for him. I don't know why. What means carrot me? I don't understand your language. Oh my god, my eyes starting. Really, yes, really. She's she's my batchmates. She's loving for someone, but I don't know why. Not yet finding someone. Thank you for the 19 people. I was in Cebu 3 years ago, so I am familiar with the Philippines. Okay. You have Filipina, maybe. Meet Filipina in Cebu. Almost Bisaya. Bisaya. Well, I'm not Bisaya. I'm Bicolana. Many foreigner meet Bisaya. Meet Filipina Bisaya. A lot of foreigner meet Bisaya. Turun nga. Turun nga. Ay, ano ka. Marap yun ang cellphone mo. Yes, I had an ex. Oh, okay. You have an ex here. What happened? What happened to your ex? Filipina ex. We broke up and move on. Well, just easy. Not your relationship, not work it, not work. Jonathan McBlag. Hi, Sir Jonathan McBlag. Steven, who was so at fault? No, it didn't work. I like and subscribe. Thank you, Sir Steven Martin. Thank you, Sir Steven. What you watching? Sure, I'll wake up. Taga-Erosin ka pala. Boss, galing ako dyan sa Huban nung pumuntok yung vulkan. Ay, talaga, sir? Oh my God. Opo, taga-Erosin po ako. Nag-vlog po kayo dito. Steven, who was a spot? Alright. Thank you, 7. Nag-vlog po kayo dito sa Erosin. Ersian Sarsigan. Ay. Ako. My eyes. Hindi ko na kaya. Malalaglag na lang yung mata ko. What were you watching? My own live. I'm watching my own live. Lol. I need to reach the watch hour. Dun dun dun. Dun, 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 dun. For watch hour, nagbakasyon lang na patapat naman na pumutok yung bulkan ay yung kamalasan nga naman. Sayang naman. Sakto no, sakto pumutok yung bulkan. Sayang. Hindi nakagala na ng bongga. Tadad! Ashley Bear. The Ashley Bear. Bang bang. Tada. Hello. Hello. Moras. Oh, you want baby? You like baby?
Pampers na ka.
Oh, come here na. Oh, take her baby. Patulogin mo. Sleep baby. You need to sleep the baby.
Tara na.
So you have another phone or what are you using for a camera here? That's not my phone. My nephew phone.
Dito na, oh, dito na.
So you have another phone or what are you using for a camera? What? This phone is my nephew phone. My nephew. Asking for watch to earn watch hour. Gain. To gain watch hour. Thank you for that hindi to Zach. Salamat. Need to support. Self-supporting. Oh. Dang 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 tilan dang dang. Barbie Vlogs. Hi Barbie Vlogs. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you. Hi po. Hi. Yoshi. Hi Yoshi. Yoshi. Da la 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 la. Yoshi. Thank you for the 21 thumbs up and 9 people are na. Masakit na sa mata. 22. Salamat sa 22. Maganda sa mata, guys. Hindi talaga ako pwede magtutok ng mata, guys. Ang update na. Ito sa ulo. Na kaya. Bye-bye. Ito to rest the eyes. Bye, guys. Love you all. Thank you so much for joining. Thank you, guys.